Situation: 5 zombie siege engines are moving across campus to breach a supply bunker, which will arm the zombie horde. If one of these touch respawn points breaches the bunker, it will provide the horde with various zombie weapons. Siege engines drop coins when fired upon. Coins can be exchanged at an armory for missile launchers. Missiles that hit an engine's weak point will immobilize it and make it invincible for 1 minute. Engines are destroyed after 6 direct missile hits. Humans have 30 to 40 minutes to stop all siege engines. Based on this intel, human forces have assembled an elite team designated Speed Squad to scout ahead of the main force and locate these high-value targets.
Good luck, humans! Thank you! Atlanta! Wait up, Jill! We're avoiding the main horde.
Clear the corners, guys. Let us know.
I wish I knew where your sleeping was. This would be perfect for this. Okay, Atlanta! Wait up.
Keep on going.
We're doing our own thing. Come on. I want to this left.
There's Brian over there. He probably has the rocket. Hey, there's a rocket. There's a rocket.
Last thing I want to do is for us to like get lazy.
You want me to bring that back? Off my ass. I'm like, come on.
Can we just keep this?
Is this our rocket?
Yep. When you bring the coins back, you'll get a rocket and
okay.
launch your
Cool. Where's the first siege engine?
Just making sure our equipment works. Thank you. All right, we got zombies right up here on this corner.
We don't want to touch these rest areas.
We cannot.
Yeah.
Shit.
We got zombies coming that way.
We don't know what's down there, though.
We cannot. No, I don't. We don't go down there.
Let them take care of it.
Let's go up here, Jillian. We're gonna go through here. We're going through here. Hey, there! We found a siege engine.
We found a siege engine. Yep.
TK113. We found a siege engine at Baker. We have found a siege
Let's
engine
get across
at
the street. Let's go ahead and get across the street.
We gotta go one way or the other.
We can't stop.
All right, let's take it out. Let's get a coin. Here we are. We haven't engaged a siege engine yet, so get a coin.
Throughout this mission, I struggled to deliver clear radio communications. Not sending proper radio transmissions seriously hurt our mission's effectiveness.
Get up high, get up high. You can't get us up here.
I got you. No, I got him.
Keep doing damage to it so we get a coin. Be smart and kiting the zombies.
We also are wasting a lot of ammo doing this. So.
All right, hey, so whoever can run. Who's got the coin? Let's do it. All right, well, go. It only took well over 100 yards. We have retrieved the coin from the siege engine. It took about, I don't know, 100 darts to actually get it off the siege engine.
All right.
20 pumps.
We now have the rocket. We're going to attempt a shot. Naptown, can you take the shot?
Sure. Great. I get to do that. Jill, cover me.
Who's gonna do it?
Jason, cover me. I can't really reload, so I have his primary. I'm just gonna take the shot.
Getting close. Remember, get more coins, get more ammo.
You only get one shot. Yeah, you get one shot.
Cover me.
Speed squad, I want you to cover Jillian and Zach as they make the shot. Go.
We just hit that little f***ing target? Okay, I think we're on time. Oh,
Yes!
I don't know where the missile went. Sorry, Brian.
We're in a weird spot. So we're gonna try and move.
Flag person becomes...
Did we get it or not? We got it, good.
Okay, we got one down.
Here we are. Sorry. Nice job, man.
Keep this?
Do we kind of have to find another one for the next one?
We need to find another, Speed squad, on me! Speed squad!
Speed squad, Jill! Snacks!
Guys, that's you.
Jill!
So, is it destroyed? Is the whole siege engine destroyed?
No.
So we have to hit it multiple times with the missile?
6 times.
Oh my god! Let's keep on attacking the siege!
Are you kidding me?
6 times? With the rocket launcher?
With the rocket launcher?
This is the mod right here.
Are you serious?
Let's do it. Let's do it 6 times.
So it's 6 times to hit it, to kill it.
6 times
to
it'll
kill it. Alright, guys, we need to unload on this! We have successfully attacked one siege engine with the missile. It's down for 1 minute. We have to hit it 6 times to destroy it.
Do you want the, do I get this back to you also? Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
All right.
I have no idea what he's saying.
Responding.
Alright, stop! Ready, unload on it, let's go! Bring it down! I need you guys to watch our rear. Watch our rear, please.
Stay here, make them come up the hill.
Speed squad, on me! Speed squad!
Right here!
A quick recap. It takes 30 to 40 minutes for one of the siege engines to reach and breach the armory. Engines are destroyed after 6 successful missile hits. Unfortunately, each hit makes the engine invincible for 1 minute before it can be hit again. This means at the very minimum, it would take 5 minutes to kill each engine, multiply that by 5 engines, and that's 25 minutes to kill them all. This does not include the time it takes to find each engine, gathering coins, and trading them in for rockets.
Alright, let's stick with this and just wait for it to watch the coin. The main force will deal with this, okay?
Yep. Hold that hill. Hold the hill. Hold the hill.
Keep on damaging the siege engine! We need coins to drop! Let's go!
Coin!
Alright, we gotta get rope! Speed squad!
Some confusion occurs when Atalanta gets tagged while retrieving a coin.
Guys, they're losing the hill! They're losing the hill!
Come back!
Players are supposed to be safe when grabbing coins, since the siege engine is a zombie respawn point.
Wait, who said that you were down?
He said. I took the coin out of his hand and then he went,
He tagged you after?
Yes.
No, you can't do that! No, you can't do that!
He's giving you the coin, you can't get
Okay.
Yeah, you can't get tagged. Yeah.
You have one rocket spot right now.
Yeah.
Speed
But
squad,
we gotta
over
find
here!
the next rocket.
And you go back
We
to
gotta.
Yeah, we have to get. It's the same place.
It's the same
Oh, can we go back to Brian?
We
Okay.
know where one is.
Well, we have to get through the horde.
Go around here because there's Speed squad, we're moving out this way. Let's go. There's one. We have another coin. We're trying to get another rocket now.
I know you are. Let him go. He's coming behind. Watch out. He's coming.
Down here. Let's go. Down here. Down here.
On your left, on building.
Are you special infected?
You're without a yellow.
Can you guys help us out?
Can you guys help us out?
Not with those numbers, and they're fighting on the street corner. You will not win that fight.
We have
Okay.
a coin with us. We
Is
have a
it-
coin.
I understand that. But the zombies,
Right there?
version. The zombies win by default. If they control the area where we have to turn in coins, we can shoot the tanks all day. It doesn't matter. So they've put their entire horde there.
They're right. It's unwinnable. TK, this is unwinnable now. The zombie horde has camped the rocket supply depot.
Here.
There's a guy with a shield right here behind the wall. We need to move, guys.
We need to keep moving forward. Speed squad.
You're on that!
What's the plan? They're coming.
TK, I'm sorry, we're fighting. I'll get back to you. Wait. Is he coming? Is TK's force coming to us? They might be attacking the supply depot so we can clear out the zombie horde.
behind us. Where are you guys heading?
Can we take a long way around this building to lose
We can't stay here, guys.
We need to take
Let's go, move. We can talk later, hold on. Speed squad, this way. Go back to Morton.
You gotta get out of sight. You gotta get out of sight.
Go back to Morton.
Zombie behind us.
Someone take him out. People in the... I can't take him out from up here.
We're gonna have to go the long way around, guys.
Where are we trying to go? Watch the bushes, babe. Watch these bushes. That's what I don't like. They shouldn't jump out there right with the road here.
We need tactical, babe. TK, we're trying to figure out how we can retake the supply point for the rockets. Right now it seems the zombie horde is covering it. No, don't do that. I said we go back. Choke point. Watch here. Let's go back to Morton.
Morton.
Speed squad, we're going back to Morton. Come on. We're moving.
Still up. Aha! That was a good shot. Keep your eyes open. Zombie coming around here. Zombies coming. Zombies coming here.
You know how to get back there?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Shield around this tree. Take that side. Take him out. Got you. I'm reloading. Yeah. Apparently there's a big horde where the rockets are. We cannot get over there with just Speed Squad. If we have to take it out, it's going to be with the whole group. Yeah.
We're gonna be intersected.
Guys, TK is going to try to retake the armory.
With the whole group?
With the whole group. He's with the main force.
Isn't that the main force?
Guys, where are you going, by the way?
We need to apparently get all the humans and push them off.
The armory.
Okay, the armory's that way, isn't it? The armory's that way.
We need all the humans to push them off because the horde's
There's a rocket.
We're gonna have to take these zombies out.
Oh, it's that one.
No, that's a ghost tree.
Speed squad, let's go back to Morton.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Let's go that way.
and we'll join TK if we can.
I mean, we're gonna have to do this. I don't know what to do.
We're coming from the ramp. We can probably
Let him run past.
Watch behind us.
Got you.
Sag him down.
Zach, Jill, I'm saying we go back to Morton, we regroup, okay? Looks like the zombies are getting pulled away from the bunker right now. If we go back to Morton, we'll regroup and they'll hit the cache again, okay? Got it, Zach? Speed squad, on me! Watch our left.
Don't leave me behind.
Sorry.
Let the main force fight
can't
them.
look.
Speed squad, keep moving. Main force will fight them. Hey, look out! Got you. Turn around! Fight!
Goes up front, watch left!
Speed squad, let's go! Speed squad, let's go! Speed squad, keep up with Jillian!
There's no reason to
We have most of our speed.
Well, that was a bust.
We're gonna go inside, go out that way. We're gonna check out the status of the bunker. Okay?
Zombie horde left. Zombie horde left. Let's move safe zone before they come engage us.
Next.
If it did, we have
15 minutes left.
Yeah.
There's no way.
No.
Which means we really have
No,
9.
we have to hit each of them 6 times.
Yep. Yeah.
I don't
So
think
there's
that's
no. So we have 15 minutes left, is what you're saying.
No, we have 9.
There's no way to do it. If we have 15 minutes,
is the full
we can. Yeah, to get
We
like
only
6
have
more
9
shots
to
in
stop
one.
them.
Yeah, it's not gonna happen.
Okay.
It's not happening.
5 of them?
Let's go back to Morton. Let's chill out.
Yep.
5 of them, there's only 1.
That's impossible.
There's no point.
Unfortunately, we are forced to abandon this mission. Before waiting for the next briefing, Speed Squad sets out on a rescue operation to escort any human survivors back to the safe zone. Since we have failed the mission, the zombie horde is now bigger and stronger than before.